Hi everyone, I'm Josh with the Albuquerque Public Library, and this is quick science you can do at home. Today's activity, catch a bubble. Now what we need for catch a bubble is very simple. First, we need a cotton piece of clothing. So in this case, I have a winter glove. You can use a scarf or an old sock. Anything like that will do. You need some water. I just have mine conveniently placed in a graduated cylinder, but any cup will do. Some dish soap. Unscented is best, but any dish soap will work. A stir stick. A measuring spoon, in this case 1 teaspoon. A cup that could hold your bubble solution. And then something to make a bubble wand out of. There's a lot of different ways to do it. I had an old toothbrush and some wire, or a pencil and a pipe cleaner. And then in this case, what I'll be using today is an old pipette that I cut the end off of. To make a bubble wand, it's pretty simple. All you do is take a pipette, roll it into any shape you want, twist it around, boom, a bubble wand. Let's get started. So first we need 50 milliliters of water. That's roughly about an inch of water into your cup. Just like that, about 1.5 inches. Next, we're going to take our dish soap and our 1 teaspoon, and we just need 1 teaspoon of dish soap to add into our water. Now we want to pour slowly and carefully to make sure it all gets in there. Next, you take your stir stick, and we want to stir slowly until it's all one color, whatever dish soap color you have. We don't want to stir too fast because then we'll get bubbles in our bubble solution, and that's no good. So as we're stirring, I want to tell you a little bit about bubbles. So bubbles are actually like sandwiches. In fact, they have layers. There are 4 layers in total, and they go in this order: soap, water, soap, and air. Now the reason why a bubble pops is because A, the water layer evaporates and it falls apart, or it meets a physical force, like hitting a wall or a table, or your cat swatting it out of the air. All right, so once you have it all one color, you're essentially ready to go. If you wanted to make a stronger bubble solution, you could run down to the grocery store and get something called glycerin, and you would only need 1/4 teaspoon of that, but today we're just gonna focus on 2 simple ingredients, soap and water. Next thing you wanna do is dip whatever bubble wand you're using in it very carefully. Put on your bubble glove or your sock or scarf or whatever you need, and blow a bubble. You should be able to bounce it like this, or catch it, or whatever you need to do. I'm Josh. Stay tuned for our videos. Hope you have some fun.